Hey, beautiful soul. Today's the day I want you to repeat after me. I have every right to stand in my truth. I have every right to be unapologetically me. I have every right to walk a path that is in alignment with my inner truth. I have every right to be loved, to be heard, to be seen, to be appreciated. And I have every right to walk towards an environment and towards people that value what I have to offer. You are a beautiful soul, and you have every right to be exactly who you are.